Okay, parents, teachers, anybody that this may apply to, I wanted to talk about the Clever issue that we are experiencing. Well, it's not a Clever issue, but we are getting a lot of emails about students not being able to log into Clever. And what's happening with that is the browser that they're in, the browser meaning Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, any of those are browsers. But that browser is seeing that someone else has logged in at some point, and they have most likely either logged in using a Google email or they have logged into a Google owned application. So, what I'd like to do is show you on my screen what you need to do so that your child can get into Clever, or so that you can get into Clever. But the first thing you need to do is get into a new browser. And I don't mean just a new window or a new tab. I mean a new, fresh, clean browser that no one has logged into. Um, and that may mean restarting your computer if you're on a laptop, or logging in as the correct user on a Chromebook. Or in Google Chrome, as you can see here, what I'm going to do, you can go in and click on your profile picture up here, not in the Google window itself, but up here in the browser bar, and go down to Guest. And what Guest does is gives you a cookies free, account and usage free window, and that's what you need. Okay, so you're there, and you need to go to clever.com/in/MCSS. We have that plastered in several places on our instructional technology website. I think Brandy's put it in a couple of places. I think on our district site, some helpful tips, things of that nature. But again, clever.com/in/MCSS. Okay. Once you are there, you need to click on Google Login because that's just the most reliable one that will give you fewer problems. Once you do that, you need to put your student's email address for Morgan County. So I'm going to use my child. Her name is Gray, but that's actually her middle name. So I have to use her first name, which is Georgia, and then her last name at, all smushed together, at morgan.k12.ga.us. And then I have to put in her password, which she can tell you in a skinny minute, and she's in first grade, which is the last four of the 505, first initial, last initial, and then month and day, not year, of the birthday. And once you do that, it's going to log you directly into Clever. If you're getting a message, it's because it's seeing another user. So just rewind back to the beginning of this video and listen to what you need to do for that again. Watch it as many times as you need. Share it with whoever you need. And if you are still having issues, please don't hesitate to reach out. But most issues fall into that ballpark of another user being seen in that browser. Okay?